Today let us talk about the new Xiaomi 14 Pro. The Xiaomi 14 Pro shares a similar design language to its vanilla sibling. You get the boxy frames with curved edges, and the same squarish protruding camera module with Uka branding. However, the Pro moniker signifies a bigger body and better build. There is an exclusive variant of this device with a titanium frame like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Likewise, there is an IP68 rating against dust and water drips. Xiaomi ships this guy in 4 shades: white, black, green and titanium. Xiaomi 14 Pro specifications. Body 161.4 x 75.3 x 8.5 mm 223/230 scm IP68 rating. Display 6.73 C8 AMOLED curved panel 120 Hz LTPO refresh rate up to 240 Hz touch sampling rate, Dolby Vision HDR 10+, 3000 nits peak brightness 12-bit colors. Resolution, WQHD plus 3200 x 1440 pixels. Display protection, Xiaomi Longjing glass. Chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm mobile platform. Memory 8th of December 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, 128/256/512GB/1TB UFS 4.0 storage. Software and UI, Android 14 with Xiaomi's HyperOS on top. Rear camera, triple with LED flash. 50MP f/1.42 f/4.0 aperture OIS. 50MP f/2.2 ultra-wide lens, 115 fov. 50m f/2 telephoto lens OIS, 3.2x optical zoom. Front camera, 32MP sensor punch hole cutout. Audio dual speaker setup, Dolby Atmos high-res wireless. Security, in-display fingerprint sensor face unlock. Battery 4880 mAh. Charging, 120 watts wired, 50 watts wireless, 10 watts reverse wireless.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.